If you sell products or services online and you've been complaining about low sales, let me explain to you what the issue is. If you're posting on social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and you're seeing that nobody's responding to you, it's not your product, no. It is your caption, your content, that copy that you wrote. That is where the issue is. I've been able to work with thousands of business owners, and when I go through their business, when they complain about sales, I go through their marketing and everything, I realize that there is a major issue in the content or the copy or the caption that they use to sell their products or services. Most times you don't know what to write, or you just write something very basic, available to order, DM to buy, and I understand completely. It's not easy to come up with converting copy and captions, and that is why I created this video. If you watch this video to the end, I'll give you my secret caption strategy. This caption strategy would help you write winning captions that sell out your product, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever it is you're trying to sell. As long as it's on the online space, this is the winning caption that will get you sold out in minutes. So if you're ready, just make sure you subscribe and watch this video till the end. Let me explain something about sales that you probably do not know. Most times, purchasing decisions are emotional decisions. People want you to trigger their emotions. They want you to appeal to them emotionally. They want you to give their minds a reason to purchase from you before they purchase from you. So it's not enough to post an amazing product. Your product could be great, amazing. But if your caption does not give people a reason to buy, it doesn't convince them to buy, it doesn't trigger their emotions to make a purchase, they will not make a purchase. So you need to fix your captions. Fix your captions and you will fix your sales. Now, let me tell you the truth. Writing amazing and converting captions is not about speaking good English or speaking Queen's English or anything like that. No, it's simply about connecting with people and making them trust you. Now, the easiest strategy to do this is not anything complex. It's simply writing the way you speak. Most of us can speak so well, but when it comes to putting down those words to pen and paper, that is where the issue lies. For example, if you're talking with a friend and your friend asks you about the products you sell, you can't talk about it for an hour. Oh, I have this. I make clothes. They are so fine. I source for the best materials. I import from China. You can talk and talk and talk. But when it comes to posting on social media, you just write available in size 10, available in all sizes. That's not how to get somebody to buy from you. So please, forget about trying to sound like a professional copywriter or anything like that. Just write the way you speak. This is one secret I've given to my clients and my students that has tripled their sales and their income. Write the way you speak. Now, it's not easy, I know, to convert the things you have said to text. Writing is a lot of work, especially writing intelligently and putting it in a way that people can easily understand is a lot of work. And that is where AI comes in. We're in a world where AI has literally come to save us from a lot of stress. And let me introduce you to this amazing AI tool that helps to convert your voice to well-punctuated and intelligent text in seconds. And it's called Slax Notes. Let me show you how it works. So I open Slax Notes, I create an account, and then I record my voice. I simply record myself talking about my product like I'm talking to a friend. For example, I want to sell this MiFi. I open Slax Notes and I start recording. Hi, this MiFi works from any distance. It's affordable. It gives you internet connections and it helps you connect up to 6 different devices. It's easy to use. If you have a network issue, go on and buy this MiFi. It's just 20,000 naira and it works for any network of your choice. See the way I'm rapping? But if you give me phone to type these things now, my head will just freeze. Once I'm done, in few seconds, Slax Notes will provide for me a well-written punctuated caption that I can just copy and paste on any social media platform that I want. No, they are not just converting your voice to text like that. No, they are working on your text. They are making it punctuated. They are fixing your grammar issues. They are making it sound intelligent and well organized. So it's not just a voice to text platform. It's an intelligent voice to text platform. So no overthinking. You don't need to make any corrections. Once you're done, they work on your text and your text is ready. This tool is a complete game changer, especially if you're a business owner who wants to scale his or her business. You speak freely and it also converts your text in seconds. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store and download Slax Notes. It's available on iOS Store, it's available on Google Play Store. Download it, it's free to download and get started immediately using it to convert your voice to text. Now, it's not just for your captions. You can also use this to convert personal voice messages. Let's say you want to send a long text to your boss or somebody that you know you cannot actually send them a voice note, but you know you are too tired to start typing. Just go to Slax notes, record the voice message, and it will convert it to a very detailed official text that you can copy and paste to whoever you want to send it to. It can also help you record minutes of a meeting. So you're in a meeting, you don't want to miss out anything the person is saying. All you need to do is just place Slax note there, turn it on, and it records everything the person is saying. And when you get back home, convert it to your text, and you can send the minutes of the meeting to anybody or just save it for yourself for future reference. So, you know, on this page, I'm all about growing profitable businesses. This is why I chose to show you how you can use this to create content for your business. Let's say you sell skincare, you sell hair, you sell clothes. All you need to do is pick one product, go to Slax notes, talk like you're talking to a friend, talk like you're describing it to a friend, talk like you just want to yab about your products, you just want to go on and on about your products, and Slax notes will just do the rest of the work for you. Do this for all your products, and you'll see how your social media content game will blow up. You no longer be writing boring captions. You will not be writing captions that sell. So what this means is you're not going to be wasting hours staring at your phone not knowing what to type. You're no longer going to be posting pictures without captions. You're no longer going to be posting videos without captions. You're now going to be creating persuasive, interesting content that will keep people glued to your page, and they'll be like, how does this girl think? Where does she get these ideas? Well, they don't know, but you know it. All right, guys. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And please, if you know a business owner that is struggling with sales and you know that person has just been posting rubbish caption, you don't know how to tell them, just quietly copy this link, send to them, or post on your WhatsApp status. Somebody's business will be grateful to you that they encountered this particular video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to try out Slax notes. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comment section so that you can download it right now. Whether you're using iOS or Android, it's available for you to download right now for free. You can get started for free. So what are you waiting for? Get straight into it, start using it. Let me know how it goes in the comment section, and before you go, check out this video. All right, guys, see you in the next one.